Welcome to 7th grade. So we're going to take a look at today's assignment and what you need to do so that you can access today's assignment in Canvas. I sure wish you were at school right now because this would be a lot easier than recording videos to my living room. So you're going to click on the student Canvas. So the Canvas button is white with red and it says student underneath it. You're going to click on it. You should be logged into Canvas, and there's a video that'll tell you how to log into Canvas if you're not already, but you should be logged into Canvas. You're going to select math because that's our class. And then from there, you're going to go to week 1. So I'm in week 1, and I want to figure out what I need to do. Today's Monday, so you're going to select Monday, August 17th. And then from there, it says, welcome to 7th grade math. It tells you that the assignment is not submitted. After after we get some clarification on starting dates and everything, I'll be able to put a due date in there so it won't be blank when you see it. And then it says external tool. Because most of you had Miss Steele last year instead of me, we're going to be using Google Slides for this week's assignments just so that we can get kind of used to what the expectation is. All right, if I want to see the comments that are going to be left on this assignment, I click submission and rubric. It's in blue. And then from there at the bottom, you're going to see comments. And there'll be comments there as you submit your assignment. So let's go back. So our learning target today is that you can answer questions about yourself and your learning style. So that's kind of what we're talking about with coming back. We've got our Google Slides, which is below the agenda for you to complete. There's no cool down today. If you wanted some extra support or some extra resources, you can check out the classroom webpage. It's just the Craven County Schools webpage that they have us do, and our PDSA form. Now, right here it says launch external tool, and that's in hot pink. So I'm going to click launch external tool. This is going to get us to Google Slides. You're going to say log in. You need to authorize the integration in order to use this. So please sign into your Google account and authorize it. So what you're doing here is just allowing Google and Canvas to talk to each other. So in the bottom left-hand corner, you're going to click authorize. So it's that teal button in the bottom left-hand corner. Once you've done that, you're going to get to your rapid identity. So I'm going to use my son's rapid identity information because mine's going to look different. Alright, so I'm going to log into Rapid Identity, and it's going to ask me to sign in with Google. I'm pretty sure I need to use my number again, so I'm going to sign in with Ian's Google username, which is just his Rapid Identity number. Obviously, you're using your own number, you're not using Ian's. But remember, it's all the same at the end. So student.craven, would help if I hit the C, k12.org. Okay, so I've got that. I'm going to click next. And hopefully I can get this to authorize. So it says you will allow Google Drive, LTI to access each other, and you want to allow that to happen. So that just allows us to, I can sync assignments here, and your other teachers can do the same. So here's our assignment for today. Welcome to 7th grade math, and it's got whether I want to use the Slides app. So if I want to use the Slides app, I can click Get the Slides app. And it'll decide if it'll open it for me. If not, that's okay. So I'm going to click, no, I'm not interested right now. There we go. All right, so for your assignment today, you're just doing an introduction, and I'll have a video introduction for you, but it's just an assignment where you're going to kind of tell me some things about you, give me some pictures, give me some information. Okay, obviously I can't write on this teeny tiny screen, so I can click just above where the slides are, and it says Welcome to 7th grade math. I'm going to click Welcome, and that's going to launch my Slides app, or it should. There we go. So here's your assignment. You're going to work on it. So you want to add, you're going to want to add text and stuff like that. So you're going to want to add information. I need you to answer the questions that I've asked. So where are your favorite places to eat? What do you like about yourself? Where do you like to go on vacation? Are you an early bird or a night owl? How do you learn best? What sports or activities do you enjoy? Things like that. So once you fill it out, and I just want to kind of just get something on there so that we can see that it works. So once you fill it out, and you put in all your stuff, you're going to hit the check mark, and it's going to keep it there. You're going to click back. You're going to click back to student, and then it'll appear in that bottom window. So if I had filled this out correctly, obviously I haven't, but if I had filled it out correctly, I would have what I wrote and the pictures that I added and stuff like that there. Then I'm going to click submit, which is the blue submit button on the right side, and that's it. I've turned in my assignment. Okay, it says that I submitted it on August 3rd, and it tells you that it was at 8:44. When I'm done submitting, I'll click done. Now let's say you hit submit accidentally. Well, it doesn't matter. You can go back in and you can continue to edit. So let's say I want to edit the background and I want to change the color to red. Okay, and I want to submit it again with this new different. So I'm going to click submit. And then it just updates the time, and it updates the day that you turned it in. Okay? So once you're done, once you've submitted it, you're comfortable with it, you're going to click done. You can look back up here by refreshing your screen, and you can see that it was successfully submitted. You can also see that you submitted two of them. So when I look on my side, I can tell that you've done it twice, or you've submitted 2 things, and I'll look at the latest one that you submitted. If you and if something's wrong with that file, obviously I'll look at the other one. But that's just to give you an idea of what you need to get done today. If, let's say, you need to go back to it because you thought you got it done but then you didn't, you're going to just click launch the external tool again, and you shouldn't have to go back through that process. Now all of your assignments are going to be open just like they should. It's one of those first day of school type things, or first time we do it. Okay? And then you can keep making changes. The important thing to know is that every time you make a change, you want to make sure you hit submit if that's the way you want it finished. So like, let's say that you want to go back and edit some stuff. If you don't click that submit button, it doesn't change what I see on my side. All right? I hope you at least understand how to launch your external tool, and if you don't, just send me an email and let me know, and we'll walk through it.